If you forgot to plan dinner today, this is not failure. It's a structural test. And most kitchens fail this test every single week. Before we go any further, you need to understand something. Emergency meals do not fix chaos. They only protect structure. If you skip visibility, if protein isn't stabilized, if supports don't exist, freezing a backup meal will not remove your stress. It will just store disorder in a container. Welcome back to Prep and Purpose. I'm Vanessa, and if you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. I teach you how to steward what you have and to serve where you are with homemade meals and simple systems that save money and time. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss our upcoming episodes. All right, let's get back to it. So far, we've covered visibility, knowing exactly what you have so you stop guessing. We've covered bases, stabilizing protein so you're not starting from raw every night. And we've covered supports, removing construction by having vegetables, starches, and vehicles ready so dinner becomes assembly instead of labor. Emergency coverage sits on top of those layers. It doesn't replace them, it protects them. There are two kinds of days in every household: planned days and real days. Planned days are calm, protein is thawed, ingredients are ready. You feel ahead. Real days are different. The appointment ran long. The phone call drained you. Someone needed something unexpected. You are tired earlier than you thought you would be. The problem isn't that real days exist. The problem is that most kitchens are only built to function on planned days. When you forget to plan, what happens? You open the fridge and stare. You open the freezer and stare. You start mentally calculating what might work. You think, maybe I can throw something together. That moment is not about food. It's about pressure. Pressure builds when there is no installed backup. Planning without insulation still collapses because you will forget sometimes. You will get tired sometimes. You will have days where you simply don't want to think. If your system only works when you're operating at full capacity, it's fragile. And fragile systems create stress. Let's quantify it. If one unplanned day leads to takeout once a week at $35 to $60, that's $140 to $240 a month. That's over $1,600 a year. Not because you can't cook, but because you had no protected backup. If one unplanned day leads to a rush rebuild, that's emotional cost. That's snapping at people. That's resentment towards the kitchen. That's feeling behind in your own house. That's not dramatic. That's predictable. Energy fades, structure holds. If structure isn't installed, fatigue wins. Emergency meals are not leftovers. They are intentional insulation built into the system. They exist so that one imperfect day does not undo the entire week, but they only work if lower layers exist. Visibility tells you what backup is available. Bases ensure the core of the meal is already handled. Supports mean you're not reconstructing vegetables and starches from scratch. Emergency coverage protects what's already stable. If those layers are missing, backup won't feel calming. It will feel like scrambling. You don't need a dozen emergency meals. You need enough insulation to absorb disruption. For most households, that's 4 to 8 fully constructed meals stored intentionally, labeled clearly, rotated consistently. They are not there to replace cooking. They are there to protect consistency. Consistency reduces stress. Consistency reduces spending. Consistency reduces decision fatigue. If one tired day forces you to rebuild from scratch, your system is fragile. If one tired day is absorbed without thought, your system is resilient. A resilient kitchen assumes imperfection. A fragile kitchen assumes consistency. Which one are you building? Emergency meals are structural insurance, and insurance is boring until you need it. Then it's everything. Layer 1, visibility, removes guessing. Layers 2 and 3, basis and support, remove construction. Emergency coverage protects the entire structure from collapse. If it depends on you thinking clearly at 5 o'clock, it is not a system. Energy fades, structure holds. Reduce decisions, install structure. And as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.